Dubai is changing into the electric sector, not just for personal use and luxury EVs. This time it is for commercial use and an upgrade in the commercial sector. In a powerful move towards the sustainable logistics, in UAE, Jameel Motors have launched the Farizon H9E electric truck, a bold step that could change the face of the regional transport. But wait, who is behind this? Jameel Motors, a key player in mobility solutions and a trusted partners with global giants like Toyota, Lexus, BYD, MG, is now pushing to green mobility in partnership with Farizon Auto, the electric commercial vehicle arm of China's Geely Holding. This launch builds on a strategic distribution deals signed earlier this year. So what makes the Farizon H9E truck such a big deal? It is zero emissions and doesn't compromise on power. Comes in multiple variants with 4 to 5 tons for inner city deliveries and 8 tons for bigger loads. Ideal for fleet owners, logistics companies and businesses who plan on cutting down diesel costs and meeting their ESG goals. The powerhouse Geely Group brand is China's first commercial EV company which is rolling out cleaner energy trucks and buses. In 2024 alone, Farizon crossed 3 lakh sales unit. Why does this matter to UAE? The UAE Net Zero by 2050 initiative, it's not just a policy on paper. It's translating into real infrastructures and business shift. The logistics and freight industry, which has been the major contributor, is now under the spotlight. With growing urbanization, demand for rapid delivery and rising sustainability expectation, there is a pressure on logistics to adapt. The launch gives businesses a real solution. According to the CEO, Jameel Motors, China businesses, the Farizon H9E enables businesses to electrify their fleets, cut down operational costs, and support UAE's neutrality goals. Jameel Motors isn't just selling trucks. It is setting up ecosystem. After the launch of Farizon SV earlier, the latest truck entry shows that electric trucks are not just the future, they are the present. While countries like US and Europe are dealing with policy debates and rolling out slowly, the UAE has already made an investment. For local businesses, this means earlier mover advantage, and companies which adapt EV trucks now not only cut down on fuel and maintenance costs but win government tenders and also benefit carbon incentives. Let us know what you think about this in the comment section. Thank you for watching.